What's up, guys? So in today's video, I'm gonna be heading up north to Salt Lake. If you don't know, I live in southern Utah. We're getting some new wheels for the F-150. Some 22-inch limited stocks, nothing special. But I'm getting them from Emerson Nix, and if you don't know who Emerson Nix is, he bought Gabe Farrell's giveaway truck, Frosty, and now he owns it. And he's got like two other any levels, the M4. I think it's M4, at least, and all that. And so yeah, I'll get back with you guys on my first stop on the way up there. Alright, we're at the first stop. You know, we getting that Maverick because I'm low-key tired of shit. Been driving for 2 hours now, so I'm tired as hell, bro. And I went to bed way late last night. I got like 4 hours sleep. But we're gonna clean the front windshield because I haven't cleaned this thing since I took it to work and it's nasty. And I need a Red Bull. So, you know what's up. And we are back on the road, brothers. Got me a Red Bull and 2 Mountain Dews. Gonna pop a Zimbabwe. And we're gonna hit the road, brother. Well, boys, made it up north. We're 30 minutes away from Salt Lake. And I'll film them either while they're getting on or when they are on. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. My boosted wheel and tire. They didn't have, he got rid of the 22 limited stock, so I just went with Platy stocks. But better than what I got right now. They're installing it. And dude, this is crazy being here. It's Frosty and all his trucks over there. It's crazy. Well, they're installed, all four. Yeah, so I just got the Platy on streets instead. Just because anything's better than those Moto Metals I had on it. Heading to the gas station, and I'll make you guys an edit. Here they are. 20, whatever Platy stock they are. I just know they're Platy stocks. Fits the truck really well. Now I just need to get some 35s on it. Make it actually look good, not with these ugly street tires. Finally up to speed on the highway and headed home. I haven't filmed because I hit traffic so bad from Salt Lake to like West Valley in that area that we were going like 3 miles per hour, bumper to bumper, for about 2.5 hours. And my grandma lives up north, so I stopped and said hi to her, but that was only like 15 minutes, dude. It's been like 2 hours or like 3 hours since I got the tires on, or wheels. But I mess with these platinum stocks and I've looked at them for a few hours. I'm gonna probably get some, I think they're the Renegade Radar Gladiator or something like that. They're cool. They're cheaper craps is what I think they are. I'm gonna get some of those for the 20s because I'm gonna get the limited stocks, and then I can start working on some paint match and lift kit, get her leaning, you know what I mean. 6 inches on the front, drop shackles in the rear. Sounds about right. It's gorgeous out up here, dude. Anyways, I might film something else if there's something interesting, but I probably won't. I'm just driving home now. But that'll do it. If not, this is the end of the video, and have a good one.